This was my hair 1 month after my protective hairstyle. So this is the growth. You can currently see this is my hair. Now, like literally this treatment I'm going to share with you guys. My whole experience using this particular treatment for my 2 month challenge protective hairstyle. Because I'm keeping this protective hairstyle for 3 months, I decided I'll be trying different treatments. So I'll be using the hibiscus flower. As you can see, this is what it looks like. So basically you put it in water and then you put it to boil. You can either boil it or use the cold press method, but for this method I use the boiling method. So once you boiled it, you just extract all the hibiscus flower and then it's ready for use. I've never tried using the hibiscus flower before, but I've heard a lot of interesting things using this treatment. So this is my first time using the hibiscus flower. I wanted to start it off showing you like how I incorporate in my moisture routine because I didn't want to experience any side effects. Just in case you're allergic to it, you can do a skin test on your scalp first before you start using it. So I decided to incorporate it in my moisture routine. Obviously, before I use hibiscus water on my hair, I did my own research. One thing to note is that before you use anything on your hair, make sure you do your own research. And on this particular thing, I just washed my hair. After washing my hair, and then I used my hibiscus water. As I said before, it's important that you do your own research. The internet is there. Just see how they're using it and what they did, and basically just replicating what they've done and what their own experience is like. You should just slowly incorporate it in your routine and see what you experience and how it worked for you. So if you've used hibiscus water on your hair, I would like to hear from you how it went. Did it go well? What was your experience? Did you notice a lot of growth in your hair? For this particular challenge, I decided to use it in my moisture routine only. That means I use hibiscus water twice in a whole month. I use it like some other times too. I started doing my moisture routine twice in a week, so I pretty much use hibiscus water 4 times this month. This is my whole experience from using hibiscus water. My first thought on hibiscus water was how my hair felt immediately I applied it on my hair. Guys, your hair will feel so good, a bit different from the other treatments I have done, because if you check my channel, you see I've done a lot of treatments on my hair. But immediately I put it on my hair, instantly the hair felt very soft, like I added conditioner to it, which was very weird because normally when I'm using any treatment or hair rinse, my hair feels hydrated, like I just added water to my hair. It feels like I added conditioner to my hair when I use hibiscus water. I think because I also use warm water for this particular treatment, it opens my cuticles and then the hair absorbs the water better. Even the next time I used the hibiscus water, my hair felt the same way also. Mainly from the research I saw that you can also use the condition you can also use as hibiscus water as a conditioner on your hair. It makes your hair feel soft, and it really did. Yeah. So why I decided to use hibiscus water on my hair was mainly for shedding. So I've been noticing a lot of shedding in my hair, and I decided to use it for my shedding. When I did my research, I saw that it also grows your hair, which is a double plus, and it also strengthens your hair. It helps with dandruff, with premature growth. If you're struggling to grow your hair, if you have dandruff, I'll definitely recommend hibiscus water. So it helps with split end, which is very important because a lot of people have split end, and that's good. It also helps with your hair shine. If you want that shine in your hair, it's advisable to get it. So once I've done, I do a bit steam in my hair. So now basically I'm just going with my shower cap just to put in some added moisture. I'll be putting it in my shower cap and adding my steam cap so that the hibiscus water can penetrate into my hair cuticles and do what it's meant to do, guys. So when I do this, I leave it for like, let's say, 10 minutes on my hair. Because I'm using a head steamer, I don't need to keep it for longer periods of time. But if you don't have a head steamer, you can keep it for like 1 hour. You just tie your towel on it and keep it for 1 hour. So since I'm using a hair steamer, I'll just keep it for like 10 minutes and then I remove it. So yeah, so I'm currently on a 2 month challenge, and I've been doing this for a while now, and I've seen a lot of growth, guys, doing this. So currently loving it and definitely staying in my routine. This is one treatment I'm going to keep doing in my routine. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. So I have obviously deep conditioned my hair. I've added the hibiscus water. I did that, and I also incorporated it in my deep conditioning process. So I just used my conditioner and I added my hibiscus water just to make we get all the benefit, because when you deep condition your hair, your cuticles open so you can absorb all the nutrients into your hair. So that's why anytime I'm doing a treatment, I incorporate my deep conditioning process. And also, if you have high porosity hair, you have to add more moisture to your ends. It's very important you moisture your ends before locking it. So this was my first experience using hibiscus water, and it was really good. After rinsing it out, the product and everything on my hair still felt soft, like it's out there. I can't even really explain it, but it's really good on my hair because I'm literally loving how my hair feels. And obviously, anything my hair loves, I'm going to stick with it. So yeah. So after using my hibiscus water and deep conditioner, I'm going to go in with my remaining steps in my moisture routine, which I go in with my conditioner, then I go in with my oils and creams. If you don't know, I'm doing the LOC method currently, which is liquid oil and cream. So after applying my conditioner, I apply my oils, I apply my creams. I'm going to go in with my shea butter. That is the last step in my routine to seal in that moisture, and that's all for my moisture routine. So yeah, I've done this challenge like 3 to 4 times now, but I didn't film that part. But basically, I used my moisture routine and also the deep conditioner. I said you should do your research before you do anything. Like, don't just because you're seeing people do hibiscus water on their hair, you just go and try it. Make sure you do your research, do a patch test on your hand to know whether it actually works for you. Because some people are allergic to hibiscus water. So hibiscus water is basically zobo. I don't know if you guys know about zobo. Here in Africa, it's actually a drink. We actually make a drink out of it, and it tastes so good. So yeah, it's also good for your health, like health wise. It's also good for your health, cleans your system. It's just more of detoxing. If you were trying to like detox your body, you can also take it as a drink to detox your body. So yeah, it's important you do this. And yeah, I said you should do your own research and also make sure you don't overuse hibiscus water. You know, when too much of everything in life is not good, so there's always be proportion in whatever you're doing. So yeah, make sure you don't overdo it. And when I mean you don't overdo it, I do it twice in a month. So don't do it like 4 times in a month because that will make your hair dry. So now we're in the dry season and dusty weather. So I decided to do my moisture routine, and I make sure I use my hibiscus water. So I've already added my hibiscus water. So yeah, you can also make hibiscus marks out of this. You can also do like a marks and then go in with your oils to keep it locked in. So there are so many ways you can use it. Hibiscus water is something I've been drinking. I've done that. I've said that before. You deep condition your hair. The last step, you go in with your shea butter. So this is what my hibiscus water is. Something I'll keep doing in my routine. It's very important. It keeps your hair clean, and you notice the first time I use it, it was not that dry. My hair was not dry, and since we're in the dry season, it's best to do this now because you won't feel all those dryness in your hair, and your hair will be moistured for days, guys. When I use this, like, my hair was I did it on a Tuesday, and on Friday when I loosened my hair, I saw some the moisture was still there. So it lasts for 3 days regardless. I use hibiscus water in my routine because it has other benefits, which is hair growth, which I will show you towards the end. In my hair grew, guys. I will show you guys that. And then I was consistent with this routine because I'm definitely seeing my hair growth. Because when I take down this, I don't want to experience excessive shedding. So basically, why I started doing this is because I didn't want to experience shedding, especially when I'm losing my hair. So I heard a lot of review about it online. I've seen a lot of videos, people saying that it actually stops shedding, it stops dandruff. So yeah, I decided to try this. And guys, I'm your lab rat. I tried it and it worked for me, guys. When I say the growth I experienced using this treatment, it was amazing. And yeah, if you're trying to remove dandruff from your hair, also do this treatment. And also, if you're trying to get that shine to your hair, I'll definitely recommend you doing this treatment. And yeah, if you've tried it and it worked for you, I'd like to hear from you guys. What would you like me to film? And I hope you enjoyed this video. So it's important that once you're done doing all your treatment, you always put your hair back in a protective hairstyle so it doesn't rub off on your clothes. And then just basically just to make your hair stay in one place. And then protective hairstyle is basically you keeping your hair in a particular way so that it can grow. So yeah, it's important to do this after your moisture routine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video, and also leave in the comment section what you like for me to film. I'd like to hear from you guys. Like, give me video ideas. What do you want to stream? What treatment do you want me to do next? And yeah, if you've used hibiscus water, I'd love to hear from you. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys so much.